In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a page to a database on Notion. Notion is a versatile tool, perfect for bringing structure and order to your digital workspace. Maybe you've started jotting down some ideas on a page, and now you're realizing that turning this into a database will make it far more manageable. No worries. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to perform this conversion seamlessly. Let's start by opening your Notion app and navigating to the page you want to convert. Once you're there, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and click them. This is your entry point for page customization. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Turn into Database. Click this, and you're well on your way. What this action does is it takes all that information you've gathered and organizes it into an efficient database format. Upon converting, you'll see options like table, board, list, gallery, etc. Don't feel overwhelmed, these are just different ways to present your data. Each format offers unique features. For instance, the table view is perfect for straightforward data entry, similar to a spreadsheet. The board view gives you a Kanban-style approach, ideal for project management. Meanwhile, the gallery view is fantastic if you have a lot of visuals to work with. Consider what suits your needs best. Now, select the view that resonates most with your needs. I suggest starting with table, it's versatile and user-friendly. Once selected, your page information will transform into this structure. You might notice the converted entries are now living in rows, each having its respective attributes displayed as columns. Take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with this layout. Customizing your database is where you can really make it your own. You'll find that you can tweak everything from adding new properties to sorting and filtering entries, making this feature super handy for personalization. Don't forget to check out the Properties pane, where you can adjust the type, label, or color coding of each column, allowing your data to be parsed exactly how you wish. Perhaps you'll want to add checkboxes, tags, or even multi-select options. This is where the power of databases kicks in. You have the flexibility to tailor your database to fit exact requirements that cater to different projects or workflows. Finally, take a moment to explore your newly transformed work. Use the filter and sort options at the top of your database to organize everything just right. This part of Notion is all about you taking control and ensuring that your data makes sense to you, in a way that is both visually and practically efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a Notion page into a database. This development opens up a world of possibilities for organizing your ideas and projects. Thanks for sticking around. Keep exploring Notion, and you'll find there's no limit to what you can achieve.